In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to install the Resume Copilot plugin for ChatGPT. To do so, you need to go to chat.openai.com, click GPT-4 plugins, expand the list, and go down to the plugin store. Here you can find the search bar, type Resume Copilot, and you'll see the plugin. Click install, wait a couple seconds, that's all. Now you can start a new chat. As you can see the logo of the Resume Copilot here, so you can use it. You can start with the message like, help me improve my resume, and the plugin will ask you to upload your resume. To do so, the plugin generates a simple link that you have to click, and then pick your CV, click upload, the upload is done, perfect. Now you need to say I'm done or anything else, so the ChatGPT will know that the upload is complete. After this, you can start changing your resume. Let's make a small change like change my email to aaa@gmail.com. That's all. Yeah. So as you can see, it understands that your name is Petro, and it saw the last email and it's changed to aaa@gmail.com as we requested. After this, you need to say like, I'm done, I confirm, and ChatGPT will generate you a new resume. It may take a while. Over here, you need to wait for maybe like 40 seconds because the resume is uploaded to the Resume Copilot servers, and the PDF and docx file will be compiled. So the resume is uploaded, and you can use this link to download the file. Let's wait a couple seconds. So the file is ready. You can use the TXT version or the PDF. Both of the versions look good, so you can share this with recruiters, and you can download this if you want to change the resume by yourself, if you want to add some more changes. But again, it doesn't make sense because Resume Copilot can do basically everything for you. Just ask. Thank you.